Welcome back to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to learn cooking sentences. Let's start. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am washing fruits and vegetables. Again, I am washing fruits and vegetables. She is chopping vegetables. Again, she is chopping carrots. She is chopping vegetables. She is chopping carrots. She is peeling potatoes. She is peeling potatoes. I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese. Again, I am grating cheese. I am boiling eggs. I am boiling eggs. I am boiling eggs. She is boiling water. She is boiling water. She is boiling water. I am squeezing lemon juice. 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 I am grilling the chicken. 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 She is blending a smoothie. She is blending a smoothie. She is blending a smoothie. I am draining the cooked pasta. 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 I am mashing potatoes. I am mashing potatoes. I am mashing potatoes. I am mashing potatoes. I am stirring the batter. I am stirring the batter. I'm stirring the batter. I'm stirring the batter. She is toasting the breads. She is toasting the breads. She is toasting the breads. She is cracking the eggs. 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 He is pinching salt in the curry. He is pinching salt in the curry. He is pinching the salt in curry. He is pinching salt in the curry. She is baking a cake. 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 I am chilling the drink's juice. I am chilling the drink's juice. I am chilling the drink's juice. I am mixing the salad with various vegetables. I am mixing the salad with various vegetables. I am poaching egg. I'm poaching egg. I'm poaching egg. Thanks for watching. For getting more new videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks to all.